Hi, Andy Neat here from Phoenix Contact UK. Welcome to another episode of Efficiency TV, and today I'm on board the Efficiency on Tour van again to talk to you about some of our Toolfox products. So let's get into it. So 9 times out of 10 at Phoenix Contact, when we sell an automatic tool or one of our select hand tools, it tends to be to improve efficiency. That's reducing the time it takes to do wire preparation. But sometimes at 1 time out of 10, it isn't about reducing the time, it's about reducing the strain in the arms. So efficiency of the muscles and tendons, you might say. So if you're using a big crimp tool like this, and you're crimping like this all day, every day, you can see the strain on my forearm. It is going to take its toll over time. So we have some select tools which can help reduce repetitive strain injury at Phoenix Contact, and I'm going to dive in and show you a few right now. Okay, so we have quite a few products at Phoenix Contact that can help you with RSI, but I've singled out just 4 today to show you on Efficiency TV, and those 4 are sat down here. Okay, so starting off over here, we have the CF500. This is a foot pedal operated crimping tool. We then have the CrimpFox Duo 16, the CrimpFox Centris, and then finishing off with the CF3000. All 4 of these devices can help save RSI and time as well, actually. So let's have a closer look. Okay, so starting off with the CF500, this is operated by foot pedal here, and you've got over 24 different die options available for different crimps. Once we hit the foot pedal, the crimp is made, taking all the strain out of your arm. So first up in the hand tools, we have the CrimpFox Duo 16S. And due to the mechanism here in the top of the handle, it makes it 30% easier to close the crimping jaw. And also what else makes this more efficient on the muscles is that this can rotate as well. So you can go side entry or you can go top entry, reducing the need to twist your wrist round if you're in the cabinet. And a bonus feature here, which we add into lots of our crimp tools, is the rubber on the bottom of the handle. So if you come up to a large crimp, for example 10mm here, you need a little bit more force, you can lean it on the desk, add that pressure and it won't slip. And a similar story here is with the CrimpFox Centris. This again has the same handle with the 30% less force required to make a crimp. And these tools are self-adjusting. You don't have to adjust anything to make a crimp at a different size here. So you just pop in your ferrule, give it a squeeze, and it's 30% easier to make that crimp with, again, no adjustments. And last but not least, we have the CF3000, where it doesn't get any more efficient than this. You just put in your cable and it strips and crimps it, so you don't have to do anything. And that's from 0.5 up to 2.5mm cable. Okay, so there we have it. That is how you can reduce repetitive strain injury using some of our ergonomically designed hand tools from Phoenix Contact and our automatic devices. Now, if you want to see these up close in person, you can book a visit of our Efficiency on Tour van by clicking the link in this video, or you can drop me a message on the social media platform you're watching this on. Thank you again for watching Efficiency TV, and I'll see you again next time.